Miss Cat. Whoa. Hi, I'm Miss Maxine. Hi, I'm Miss Betsy.
Welcome to the garden!
Hi, garden friends. Welcome back. I'm Miss Betsy, and I'm really excited to share our garden project today. We're going to go around and gather some cool natural objects like these and make nature art. And my friends Miss Max and Miss Cat are going to join us and show us some really cool ways that you can make art at home. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hi, it's Miss Maxine. Today we are going to make some art out of leaves. This is my sibling Christine. They're going to help me out. Check it out.
Hi garden friends, Miss Cat here, and I'm here on my front porch right now to show you that even if you only have a small space, you can still make nature art, and you can just make a mini version.
Hey garden friends! I'm out here in my backyard with my puppy dog Huckleberry, and we're gonna make some of our favorite kind of nature art, rainbow art. Well, garden friends, it was so fun to be outside with you today, making nature art. Before I let you go, I do want to give you your garden challenge, and that is for you to go outside and make some nature art of your own. Be sure to take an adult to make sure you stay safe. Have fun and be creative. See you next time.